Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is another Temu haul video. I've done a few of these in the past. I've got some cool little bits out of them. So I'll open this packet up and I'll show you the cool bits I've got inside. So let's get started. So the first item in the haul is this little item inside this black packet. Inside this black packet there is a lawnmower blade sharpener. I got this to sharpen my lawnmower blades. I'm not sure how good it's going to be. I'll probably do a short on it when I've used it and let you know what I think of it. Pretty handy, hopefully, anyway. So we have another package here. Let's get this one open. Then I've got these all from Temu. I paid for them all myself. And yeah, so inside here we have a few Christmas tree bits, as they're called, step drill bits, whatever you want to call them. They look in fairly good condition. This one goes from 4mm to 20mm. This one goes from 3mm to 12mm, and this one here goes from 4 to 12, so pretty good selection of sizes. I'll let you know what I think of them when I've used them, as I mentioned before. The next item in this tool is this, it's a Welding Dice Kit. So those of you know, I recently got a welder, and this is to help me practice welding. Basically, you fold up the edges and make it into a dice to make a nice little paperweight, I suppose. But yeah, this is basically just a cross section, and like I said, you fold these up. I'm not very good at welding. This is hopefully help me improve, and I'll probably film me making this or doing this just so you can see how it goes. So look forward to that in a future video. Next up is this drill bit sharpener. So it looks pretty effective. I'm not sure how good it's going to be, but again, it was only cheap. So basically the whole idea of it is you put this end on your drill and you feed your drill bits up through here. You come with a little spanner. I'm guessing that's for tightening these up. Got this lovely little protector as well. I suppose it should have been on here, but I imagine it's probably popped off. Yeah, and that helps you sharpen your drill bits so you get them a nice sharp angle. Sharp drill bits drill through metal better, always useful. So once I've used it, I'll probably again do a little short on it and let you know what I think about it. Next up, and the penultimate item in this very short little tool haul, is these trim tools. So these are for moving trim clips. So we have these automatic pair here. They seem quite robust. Got quite a good spring on them. And then we have a more manual style one with a good angle on it for you pop them out. You get this end of the trim clip and it pops out. So I'm hoping to try these. They seem quite versatile and quite useful. You know what it's like when you're removing trim clips. Any tool you can have to help is always good. I'll let you know, these will probably get their own what's in the toolbox once I've used them. Last item in this lovely little tool haul, or in haul video in general. So let's have this box, let's get it open and we'll have a look inside it. And this is one of those wrench extenders. So it's got a 1/2 inch drive hole here, and then you put your spanners in either side. Bear with me, I'll find some spanners and we will show you them with some spanners in it. Unfortunately, any spanner I could find at this time is this little access spanner. I did a watch my toolbox on these. They're pretty handy, pretty useful. These are able to go on hand, but basically the idea is you hook them in, hook the spanner in here. And obviously this would be better with a straight spanner than a crooked one. Let me move that around like this. Yeah, you hook them in, and then you can either use another spanner on this end to give you more leverage, or you can use a breaker bar or a ratchet. Pretty handy. You can even use these with torque wrenches, and if say you've got a fastener that you can't reach with a normal socket, give it a spanner on and put a torque wrench in here for torquing down. It's pretty good. Yeah, a pretty handy little tool. And that's the haul. It's got quite a quick and short one, not many items in it. There wasn't very much I could find on Temu that I really fancied when I was doing the last order. But yeah, there's interesting bits and some bits I'm looking forward to trying. Obviously the wrench extender and the trim tools will get their own what's in my toolbox videos when I've used them enough to give you a good idea of what I think. You'll see the dice kit in an upcoming welding video. Once I've done a bit more of that, I'll let you know what I think about the other tools as well. And yeah, obviously if you're new here and you haven't seen much of my content, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe. That really helps out. The channel's growing really nicely. At the time of recording, we're on 424 subs, so we're going up in the right direction. Yeah, once again, thank you for everyone watching, and I'll see you in the next one.